Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
What do you want in 2023?
Let us start. To do this trend, open any application. I use CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 4 photos on which you want to make the video. Now select Format 9:16 and then adjust the photos to full screen. Now add audio. If you need audio, the link is given in description. Now set your photos to this time duration. Now add text. Write the text and then choose font and style and then place the text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.